Works here with an 0506 Acura RSX headlight package finished up today. These were built on brand new OE style headlights. We use primarily Eagle Eyes brand. Now the projectors used is our most popular, our basic retrofit, which is a Mini H1 by Xenon 2.5-inch clear lens projector. Shrouds he chose are the Bullet 1.0. And for a cosmetic upgrade, as you can see here, there is a front mounted Switchback tube style strip. Being Switchback, he has white and amber illumination. The white would be on with parking lights, or if wired to an ignition circuit, it would function as a true DRL, meaning it would start up when you start the car, whether or not you have the lights in parking light mode or not. We're going to cut the HIDs on along with the strip, just to give you an idea of what it looks like turned on. So this is the white mode, which you will see most of the time. And then now we're going to engage the Switchback. So the strip goes amber with the turn signals. So this is simulating a turn signal, and once the signal is gone, it will go back to white. So a pretty cool cosmetic upgrade. Gives you a little bit more visibility for oncoming drivers, and people to notice you have your turn signals on, and then of course it's really just like a cosmetic thing. Now our complete headlight packages come with a Morimoto HID kit. So you get a set of bulbs, ballast, and relay harness. And the relay harness takes care of all the wiring, making everything pretty much plug and play for you. These LED components, they do have to be wired in on your own, but we do supply all of the wiring taps and things that you need to get that set up. If you have any questions, you can reach us at 469-440-9449. Order a package like this by yourself on our website, VisionAutoworks.com.